Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Chrome with the browser up to date. This avoids feature mismatches. First, enable Lens from Settings so the option appears in context menus and the Omnibox. This makes the tool persistent across tabs. Once done, practice invoking Lens by right-clicking an image or tapping the camera in the address bar on supported pages. You do this because Chrome exposes Lens only after the feature flag and account state align, so enabling it first prevents errors when Now you'll perform the core actions. Select the portion of the image you want analyzed and choose the correct lens mode. If you need text, pick Text Extract. For products, pick Shopping. This directs the model to different result types. Make sure to refine your selection by zooming or rotating the image when characters are skewed, because better input yields more accurate matches. Also switch languages when translating. Once you do this, results will target the expected outputs and save time. Finish by acting on what Lens finds. Copy detected text to your clipboard, open product links for price checks, or save images to drive for later. You should also use context actions like calling a number or opening a map addressed directly from the results to speed tasks. If Lens isn't responding, clear Chrome's cache, ensure Lens is enabled in Settings, and verify you're signed into Google. These steps fix most permission and feature availability issues, so you can get back to work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.